Go ba na?
Hi, good morning and welcome to our Airbnb booked here in Malaysia. Astoria Ampang Jalan. So, today I will show you the Airbnb. Unit tour tayo, okay? So, una sa lahat, nandito tayo, meron tayong house rules dito. Hindi na natin pakikita yung labas, okay? So, when we leave, we have to turn off everything to conserve energy. So, this is the first room. We have two big beds here that can fit 4 people.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the room of the team of Hernalyn. Okay, so this is the living room. It's very spacious. I love this, no? Sometimes kasi akala mo maganda lang sa Facebook eh. Pero this is real. So here, you have a sofa. It's very relaxing here. So, ang lambot. So you can watch your favorite teleserye. So you don't need to look for another place. Para sa akin, this is the best place so far. I've been in Malaysia for about 4 to 5. We've been, this is not my first time, but you know there is, I call this, it's always a first time because I have new companions, I have new people, travel buddies. So this is the dining, or you can have a short meeting. So we're 10. So we just have to fit another maybe 2 seats or 3 seats. What a nice portrait.
Yeah.
Tama? So here there is a clip for your baby, for your little angel. Okay? So this is the place for you to cook. Kasi kami kasi sa RJL 88, we love to cook, we love to eat. So kung hindi kayo mahilig sa spices, so meron tayong option. We will eat breakfast here, then our Miss Ivana, our accounting senior staff, is cooking the hot dog from
Malaysian hot dog.
Malaysian hot dog. And do you know that there is the Maggi, which is the
Kuruk
rasa.
rapsa. Mahirap-hirap kaming hanapin ganito.
Yeah, and the garam halus, that is the salt.
Yes. And then the oil.
Which is a mustard oil. First time namin nakakita ng mustard oil. Siguro, baka sa atin kasi we don't usually
Vegetable
use
pound.
mustard oil. So there you have it, that this is the refrigerator that you can buy some stuff outside. So it's very giving, the yellow or the ice. So ibig sabihin mahilig kaming mag-drinks. So ito, hindi pa kami talaga totally nakakabili sa labas kasi we came late. So anyway, last night, we had our dinner via Grab, we call it. So we tasted the ayam goreng from McDonald's. Then there is Taco Bell here, there's Starbucks. So everything. Here, there is a water dispenser that is directly connected with the socket. So you just need to grab a coffee, then get a hot water, or if you want something like an iced tea or something like a lemon tea, whatever, you can grab your cold. But do you know that in Malaysia, because the sun is so big here, we are at the west part of Malaysia, this cold is not a cold one. It's kinda hot, warm, but warmer. I don't know. This is the dish cabinet. We have in Shopee. So we bought rice.
Yes.
Kasi naman we are rice people, no?
Rice is life.
Rice is live. Then,
Yes.
do you know that the KK, tama?
KK Mart.
KK Mart is like Dali in the Philippines, where you can buy cheaper.
Yeah.
Like this one, this egg.
This egg.
Yeah.
And this one.
Yes, and provided with everything. So,
Yes.
you can wash your dishes. There is a microwave over there.
Yeah,
There is a kettle, and there's a good
Cabinet.
cabinet, and everything that you need.
Yeah. Spoonful.
Knife, fork, spoon, cutting board, everything is here.
Yeah, and then that one.
Yeah, you can also bake, if you have time, more
Yes.
time, no? So, let's see. Let's go to our balcony. So, ang masaya dito, parang ka talaga nasa bahay. Oo, so ito ang very, very nice curtain. So, ito lang ang sinasabi ko. Kanina umaga nandito yung sun. Dito talaga nakatutok.
Oh, talaga?
So, yes.
Sunrise.
If you, surprisingly, if you wish to have a nice sunny place, this is the best. So, this is the residential area. I think affluent, no? Kasi I can see nice houses over there. Tama? So, the infrastructure is good. Yun nga yung palagi ko sinasabi na ang saya dito sa Malaysia kasi nakita mo yung pag-evolve nila. Dati kasi tayo yun eh. Pero ngayon parang medyo malayo na tayo. Sad to say. Tingnan nyo yung yung skyway nila, yung bridge. It's very nice, no? May color mo. Then also, the mountain. Ayan. Ayan, nice, no? Kasi nandito kami sa area ng residential. So, pagbaba, tignan ninyo. Mamaya tignan natin what is it. Parang may may kabana. No, may kabana. May kotse sa baba. Tapos may globo. It's like pinupuntahan ng tao. Ayun, no, may mga tao, oh.
Baka
So,
golf
dito lang yan, pwede natin puntahan, no?
or baka running area, madam.
Yeah, parang nag-ano sila. So guys, eto, gusto niyo pang magkape kay mamayang gabi? Alam niyo, minsan hindi niyo naman kailangan lumabas eh. Alam niyo
Yes.
yun? Katulad namin na nasa real estate, guys, alam niyo. Katulad niya, yung nag-video, si Ma'am Susie, she's very, very busy. Kasi if you will not be very busy, you will not achieve what you want in life. Hard work pays off. Sabi ko kanina sa kanya, tara punta tayo dito, Ma'am Susie. Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, ano lang tayo, relax lang tayo. Kasi kailangan natin to luxury of time. And even sa bahay natin, kasi we work in the Philippines, alam niyo yun, trabaho, hanap buhay, hanap buyer. Pero alam niyo at the end of the day, kita nyo to, we're 10, and konti na lang yung gagastusin nila eh.
Yes.
Kasi the airfare, the accommodation, and
Free.
the pocket money, hindi ganun kalaki. Pero siguro ko, if you know how to spend, yung nakakasaya nyo. Kasi kami sa RJL 88, happy people talaga kami. We are in a community where we love to laugh, we love to eat, we love to just a simple place, di ba? To spend. So everyone, if you are watching this video, I'd like to say, please come and join our team, no? Susie is taking the video. She is one of our junior sales managers, and she's our top one for 2025. And I'm looking forward that she keeps it, the number, all right? But I will always tell to her that she has to take care of herself because nobody takes care of ourselves. It's always us. Even if you have partners, we have children, they also have their own lives.
Yeah.
So for her daughter, you have to congratulate your mom, and I know she's doing best, and you are studying well. So to the parents and family of Susie, marami pong
Yes.
salamat at meron kayong anak na napakabuti at kasama sa amin dito. And to the team of Susie, Cherry, and Joanne, magparami kayo. Dahil alam niyo, nararamdaman niyo na dumarating na sa atin ang grasya. Walang nagiging asenso sa buhay kung tayo ay walang ginagawa. You know what I mean?
Yes.
So we are the kayod team. We are the
Yes.
kayod. Kakayurin natin ang dapat kayurin. Ibig sabihin, maghahanap buhay tayo ng tapat, patas para sa lahat.
Yeah.
So guys, to all our buyers, thank you so much. If it's not with you, if it's not from our sellers, we won't be here spending some more time
Yeah.
to keep us beautiful, you know.
Yes.
It's all for you.
Yes.
Daghang salamat.
Okay.